Hello and welcome back to Harvested Info. In this video, I will show you how to mount the GoPro MAX 360 onto a tripod. Let's begin. As you can see, I do have my tripod here and GoPro here, but before we actually start mounting, we first have to unmount it from our hypothetical helmet. So let's simply unplug it. Just like that. This is the part that you probably want to stick on your helmet, but that's from the other tutorial. And now I want to simply unscrew it. So we just have to rotate it for a moment. And now it should fall off. And now we can simply remove it completely from this part, and we won't really use them. Now you want to readjust them, so you want to place them like this, and you will notice a little hole here. And you will notice that this hole looks suspiciously close to this bolt here. So now obviously what we want to do is we want to take it and we want to simply rotate it. I never really remember which direction you want to rotate it, but as I think I actually got it this time. Now I want to mount it pretty hard, but not too hard, and as you can see, our GoPro is now completely mounted. I can zoom out a little bit if you want to, though there is a bunch of stuff here, but as you can see, we can like do some wacky stuff with it. We can put it on whatever we want to now. I always like pretending that this is some sort of three-legged monster or like an alien, but as you can see, it's stable. We can move it in whatever way we want. It won't fall off, and you can just do it whatever you want with it now. You can enable 360 mode, you can do a photo, burst photo, video, and if you want tutorials on how to do these things, don't worry, we do have it on our channel. So that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.